Hey y'all, in this video I'll be making chicken and dumpling soup. So as you can see, I started off by seasoning with adobo seasoning, some garlic powder, some roasted garlic and herb seasoning, adding some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add some sazon. I'm gonna mix it up really well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I added some oil to the pot, added the chicken in. Now I'm gonna let that cook until the chicken is golden brown. Okay, so here I'm just flipping the chicken over, making sure it cooks on both sides. Now that it's done, I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and put it off to the side. Now it's time to cut up some onions. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button to show support. Now I added about 6 or 7 cups of water. I'm gonna be adding some chicken bouillon. Okay, so I mixed some flour with some hot water to thicken the sauce. So I added that in. Now I'm cutting up the potatoes in small pieces. Okay, so after I added the potatoes in, I went ahead and added some more seasoning, some more adobo seasoning, some garlic, and some pepper. Okay, once I noticed the chicken was done, I went ahead and shredded it, and now I'm just adding it back in the pot. Okay, so I decided to use protein noodles to make it a little more healthier. So I'm just adding them in. Okay, so now it's time to make the dough for the dumplings. Once I made it, I went ahead and flattened it. Now I'm just making small little dumplings, and then I'm gonna add them in a pot. Okay, now that it's done, this is how it came out. Don't it look good, y'all? Oh, and I made some white rice on the side. So now you just see me making my bowl.